DJI has always been a standout in the world of drones, revolutionizing the way we record moments and discover new places. As we step into 2024, let's check out the best DJI drones of 2024. These drones are not just cool gadgets, they're creative and exploratory tools. With features like avoiding obstacles, high-tech cameras, and stability, DJI is the preferred choice for both experts and drone enthusiasts. In this video, we'll explore the capabilities of the latest DJI drones in 2024. Whether you're into aerial photography, seeking adventure, or a tech enthusiast, these drones promise to enhance your experience. But wait, there's more. I've listed the 5 best DJI drones for you. And to ensure you get value for your money, find links for the best prices in the description below. So get ready for an aerial journey as we delve into the best DJI drones 2024. Number 5. DJI Mini3 Pro. Introducing my top choice for best for beginners DJI drones. It's a lightweight and foldable drone, weighing just 249 grams, making it easy to carry on any adventure. This drone is designed for beginners, and it doesn't require registration in most countries due to its weight. The FAA remote ID compliance ensures adherence to regulations. Capturing perfect portraits is a breeze with the true vertical shooting feature, ideal for social media. The gimbal's 90-degree rotation avoids compromising image quality. Fly with confidence thanks to tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, providing unrivaled safety. The drone offers various intelligent features, including focused track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Number 4. DJI Mini2 SE. I recommend this for the best lightweight option DJI drones. This drone is beginner-friendly with simplified operations, making it easy to learn and ideal for newcomers. The return-to-home function adds an extra layer of safety for worry-free flying. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, and with a combo, you get 2 additional intelligent flight batteries for a total flight time of up to 93 minutes. With a 10-kilometer max transmission range and DJI OcuSync technology, this drone provides reliable long-distance flights and enhanced transmission with stronger anti-interference capabilities. Facing winds up to 38 km per hour, level 5, it maintains reliable stability, allowing you to fly and capture content more reliably in various environments. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro SE. Looking for the best professional cinematic DJI drones? Consider this one. It weighs 3.91 kilograms and comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including spare propellers, intelligent flight batteries, and a DJI shoulder bag. Equipped with a Hasselblad main camera featuring a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 20 megapixel, and f2.82 f11 aperture, this 4K drone supports shooting raw photos with an impressive dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. Safety is a priority with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0, employing 8 vision sensors and a vision computing engine to detect obstacles. With a 43-minute max flight time, the Mavic 3 Pro SE provides confidence for longer flights, minimizing concerns about battery levels. The drone includes 1 TB of internal storage and 3 intelligent flight batteries. Number 2. DJI Mini4 Pro, presenting the best portable DJI drones. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require registration for hassle-free journeys, eliminating tedious application processes. Enjoy an omnidirectional obstacle sensing system for enhanced safety, detecting obstacles precisely in all directions. Beginners can confidently fly, worrying less about collisions. Immerse in real-time aerial footage with a 20-kilometer FHD video transmission, providing lag-free image transmission for an unparalleled view. Customize intelligent tracking effortlessly with Active Track 360-degree, allowing even beginners to achieve complex and seamless operation effects. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, and my top choice for best overall DJI drones. It's a sleek black drone designed for adults, weighing 3.56 kilograms. The 4K UHD 2160p video resolution and 48 megapixel effective still resolution ensures stunning visuals. Equipped with a Hasselblad main camera, the Mavic 3 Pro supports shooting raw photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. It complies with FAA remote ID rules, emphasizing safety and compliance. The drone's omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0 features provide peace of mind during flights. With an impressive 43-minute max flight time, the Mavic 3 Pro instills confidence for extended flights. The DJI O3 Plus technology allows stable signals over a transmission distance of up to 15 km, providing a professional 4K camera long-range experience. In conclusion, these DJI drones provide a diverse range of options catering to various needs. Whether you're a beginner, a professional cinematographer, or someone looking for a lightweight companion, DJI has you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this overview valuable, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy droning!